Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Maths with Kamchran. Today I want us to look at solving equations. This time around we've got a specific instruction. Use the balance method to solve the following equations. So we are going to specifically use the balance method only. Okay, so for our balance method on number 1, what we are going to do is this. For us to get the value of x, we are going to divide by 3 on the left side. So if I do this on the left side, to balance this equation, I'll also divide by 3 on the right side. So 3 into 3, we get a 1. So we remain with an x then. Then 3 into 21, we'll get a 7. Okay, so our x value becomes a 7. So this is how we do it. Let's go on to the next question. Okay, this question now, to get the value of x, I have to remove this from this side. So to remove this is plus 3. So to get a 0 there, I'll say minus 3. So I'll have x plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so what I do on this side, I also do on the right side. So I'll have 8 minus 3. I've simply, here, what I've done here is this. I've simply added minus 3 here and also minus 3 that side. So it is now a balanced equation. So now I can simplify. Plus 3 minus 3, we get a 0. So I'll have x plus a 0 is equal to 8. Okay, so on the left side, I can say I have x is equal to 8 minus 3, we get a 5. So this is our value of our x there. Let's go on to the next question. Okay, here I've got half x is equals to 5. So to remove this half here, I can simply multiply by a 2 over 1. So I'll multiply this side by 2 over 1. And what I do on the left side, I also do on the right side. So I can multiply by 2 over 1 this side. So these 2's will cancel off each other and the 1's will cancel off each other and will remain with an x there. This is equal to, when I have a number like this, it's the same as 5 times 2 over 1. And when we get that, we simply say 5 times 2. 5 times 2, because when we divide by 1, we get the same number. So our x is going to be 5 times 2, we get a 10. So our x is going to be a 10 there. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so this is similar to that one, only that our fraction is on the right side. So we can simply multiply by 5 over 1 here and here by 5 over 1. Okay, such that on the right side, these 5's will cancel off each other, even the 1's, and will remain with an x there. Okay, now we have got 5 times 6 there. Okay, now our 5 times 6, we get a 30 is equal to x, and we normally say that this is not a proper way of writing the answer. Our answer is therefore x is equal to a 30, like that. So this is how you do it. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, this one, we want to remove this one this side. It's like this is plus. So for me to remove that one, I can simply say minus 1. So I'll have it as plus 1 minus 1 plus x. Okay, so this minus that I have introduced, I also do it on the left side. So I have 7 minus 1, like that, such that here I've got minus 1, here I also have minus 1. It's balanced like that. Now let's solve. 7 minus 1, we get a 6 is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, we get a 0. So we remain with x there. Okay, so our x, we can say, is equal to a 6, like this. Okay, now let's do the last example. Okay, for this one now, for us to easily do this, we can say we multiply this here and we add there, so that we have an improper fraction and we can solve this problem easily. Okay, so I'll have 1 over 4. X is equal to 2 times 2, we get 4. So we say 4 plus our 1 over 2. Okay, now we have 1 over 4x is equal to 5. 4 plus 1, we get 5 over 2, like that. Now we can solve. So to remove this 1 over 4 here, I'm going to multiply by 4 over 1. Okay, so I do the same here, 4 over 1. Okay, so on the left side, these are going to cancel off each other and we will remain with an x is equals to. Now on the right side, this part here, I can divide 2 into 4. I'll get 2 times. Okay, so I'm now having 2. I'm now having 5. I'm now having 5 times 2 over 1. Okay, so when I have that, it's the same as 5 times 2 only. So I have my x is equals to a 10. So this is how we do it. Our x value there is a 10. Okay, guys, let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Please remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel.